Here we are live, and I'm trying to share the screen as we're doing that with way better. Okay, I think we're at the spot where we need to be at. Yes, I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out today, there's a product, one of the top sellers called Kawaii Pocket Gardens. It's a PLR offer, and it's prompts. And prompts are artificial intelligence, ChatGPT prompts that create images, in this case, or direct it to do whatever you need. This is a, did I say, was it $17 or $27? So I'm going to scroll to the bottom and go $17. And you look at this, create magical coloring books in minutes using 500 proven prompts. So there's 500 prompts, $17, simple prompts into whimsical garden worlds. Look at this, very nice. That's the kind of stuff. You can see that there's all sorts of books that are selling all sorts of copies, and all you do is put it all together. You can spend hours writing prompts and doing all this and just get nothing. So in return, here you go, 500 prompts, garden themes, no guesswork. You just go and you create these books. So it's $17, fresh out today. The link is in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. You can scroll down and read about the prompts, about the exact clay style covers and sample pages and a quick start guide and a KDP Kindle and Etsy listing checklist. And you have full private label rights. You can turn around and resell this and get all your money back. So works with ChatGPT, GPT-40, Midjourney, Ideogram, Leonardo. So you can go from blank page to published product faster than ever with zero design skills. $17. All right, and there's some upgrades. There are $27, $37, $47 upgrades for stickers, for more prompts, for mindful habits and little moments prompt pack. That's got 2,828 prompts. So there's a whole bunch of different things. You'll see it all listed there. Click on the product box or the link at the bottom, and it'll take you right through where you can grab that for $17. So the link's in the video description. Click the link and it'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. It's called Kawaii Pocket Gardens PLR coloring pages. It's really the prompts to create the PLR coloring pages. There you go. Check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Click the link and go check out Kawaii Pocket Gardens.